Hi, my name is Gary Sanger. I'm an instructor out at DMAC. Like to come out here to Karl's roll-ins or cruise-ins. A lot of fun. Tonight we have, my wife and I brought our 32 Ford Coupe. It's a 3-window coupe. It's got an old blower motor in it. And it was just a lot of fun to take around and bring out to these events and talk to other car people also. So eventually the idea is that I want to take it out and redo the entire vehicle, you know, kind of make it your own. On the inside of the vehicle, I put a floor shifter in it and had the seats rebuilt and put a forward and a rearward facing camera for your rear view mirror. It's very cool. So when you're driving, you can actually see a lot better, because anytime you get a vehicle with a chopped top, it's hard to see out of them. So this is a better way to see out, and we have better view, and it's a lot safer. And still, like I said, just a lot of fun.